Lesson 8.4 Infinite Geometric Series continues. In this video, we will identify formulas and compute each series. What do geometry teachers have decorating their floors? Area rugs. Formulas for the first n terms of an arithmetic series. So all we have here is just all of the formulas all in one place. Again, we talked about this being 1 minus r instead of r minus 1. These are just all the formulas we have seen already, just put in one place. Identify which formula should be used for each type of series, and then compute each series. 13. We have 2/9, 2/7, 2 over 81, 2 over 243. So first of all, first thing I notice is that it doesn't have ... so it's not infinite, it's finite. Okay. Second of all, I notice that the bottom is multiplying by 3. And the top isn't changing, so we're multiplying by 1. So that means that r is equal to 1 over 3, g1 is equal to 2 over 9, and there's 4 numbers in this series, so n is equal to 4. So we're going to use that s sub n is equal to g sub 1 times r to the n minus 1 over r minus 1. So we have 2/9 times 1/3 to the 4th minus 1 over 1/3 minus 1. So 1/3 to the 4th is 1 over 81. So really we have 1 over 81 minus 81 over 81, which is going to be negative 80 over 81. That's side work that doesn't need to be added into our thing here. So we have 2 over 9 times negative 80 over 81 over, same idea with the 1/3, so we have 1/3 minus 3/3, which is negative 2/3. Now I have run out of space, so let's stick this down here out of the way. So then if I multiply by the denominator, we get 2/9 times negative 80 over 81 times negative 3/2. The 3 reduces, this is 27, the 2's reduce, this is 40, and now I can just multiply what's left, and we get s sub 4 is equal to 80 over 9 times 7, which is 243. And with that, that is how we use this particular formula. So what I want you to do now is look at 14. Again, figure out which formula you're going to be using, and then go ahead and calculate the answer. Alright, so first thing I notice is the top of the summation has an infinity symbol, which means this is an infinite sum. The second thing I notice is that the r value is less than 1, so it's a convergent infinite sum. And so then I need to plug in 1 in order to find out what g sub 1 is. So I find that it's 10 over 11. And then I plug the stuff in. 10 over 11 minus over 1 minus 2 elevenths. 1 minus 2 elevenths ends up being 9 over 11. We flip and we multiply. The 11s cancel and we get 10 over 9. So in this section, all they really want you to do is be able to use the formulas that we've learned in terms of the sum of a series. With that, that is your notes, the last of your notes for this chapter.